one purpose, a brand breaking through. She built every storefront with vision and drive. Amanda and Fusion 5. Watch us come alive. Beauty and gadgets, fitness and food, fashion and learning, setting the mood. Pets and home living, from Phoenix with pride, Amanda Trends and Ventures. The world is our guide. This is a capital sound, echoing all around. Oh, 5 voices, 8 stores. Amanda's glory found. We sing for the bold, we sing for the free. Amanda Trends and Ventures is where you want to be. They said one brand couldn't do it all, but Amanda Trends and Ventures stood up and answered the call. 8 stars, 1 mission, the fusion. 5, 1 vision. Capital sound. This is the capital sound. Echoing all around. Echoing all around. Voices, 8 stars. 8 stars. Amanda's glory found. We sing for the bold. We sing for the free. Amanda Trends and Ventures is where you want to be. One brand, multiple solutions.